Your TV audio sucks. Fix it fast with Samsung Q800D. Wireless Dolby Atmos, built-in Alexa and zero clutter. Ever cranked up your TV volume only to still miss what anyone's saying? Tired of action scenes sounding like someone dropped pots and pans in a cave? That's because your flat screen's built-in speakers are flatter than your ex's personality. Audio clarity is dead, surround sound is a myth, and trying to toggle settings mid-show is like fighting with your remote. You're not watching, you're struggling. TV nights that should hit like a blockbuster feel more like bootleg VHS. And don't even mention game mode, unless tin can echo chamber is your thing. But wait, why is it this bad? Because tech evolved, but your sound didn't. You're stuck in a 2D world while movies and games demand 3D firepower. Deadlines, dishes, distractions, life's loud, and your dialogue's drowned. Missed plot twists. Misheard punchlines. Mundane bass. And don't forget the anxiety when guests say, "Can you turn it up?" You've got an entertainment setup that looks rich but sounds broke. It's frustrating, embarrassing, and totally unnecessary. You're not watching in 2025, you're audio slumming like it's 2005. Enter the Samsung Q800D soundbar, the audio upgrade your content begged for. This isn't just a speaker bar, it's an elite sound surgeon with a 5.1.2 channel setup, wireless Dolby Atmos, Q-Symphony TV sync, and SpaceFit Sound Pro that literally scans your room and adjusts accordingly. With built-in Alexa, AirPlay 2, and Chromecast, it's not just smart, it's a full-blown audio genius. It hears the chaos, calms it, and serves dialogue sharp as a scalpel. Whether you're gaming, Netflixing, or watching sports, this soundbar redefines immersion. Expect instant wins. No wires, no fuss, no guessing. Just room-filling surround sound, optimized per square inch. Adaptive sound ensures whispering villains and shouting announcers are always clear. No more rewind rage or volume remote battles. And for gamers? Game Mode Pro will melt your face, in a good way. Feel the rumbles, hear the footsteps, dominate the arena. You're not just hearing the content, you're living inside it. Your TV will finally sound as expensive as it looks. Look, if you're still watching epic content through budget speakers, that's on you. But it doesn't have to be. Upgrade to the Samsung HW-Q800D, and instantly turn your living room into a sonic command center. Whether you're chasing clarity, immersion, or just want your stuff to sound rich, this is the soundbar to flex. Don't sleep on this, you deserve sound that hits. By now, feel the boom, and let your TV finally pull its audio weight.